Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Ubuntu 25.10 server edition on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to Ubuntu official website and download. It is ubuntu.com. Then click on download Ubuntu. See here we have the desktop and server. For desktop you can search for my YouTube channel how to install Ubuntu desktop 25.10. In this video we are going to download and install server. So click on server, then click on get Ubuntu server. Then see here we have the Ubuntu 25.10. Click on download and also check the system requirements. 1 GB of system memory, 2.5 GB of free hard drive space. Click on download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started. Go to downloads. See here its size is about 2.1 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. See here I have already downloaded Ubuntu 25.10 server ISO image. In your case wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Now click on new or machine and select new, both are same, to create new virtual machine. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. Name can be anything. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the folder or location to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on drop down and select other. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Then select the downloaded ISO image. See, once you selected OS, change it to Linux, OS distribution to Ubuntu, OS version Ubuntu 64-bit. And select this, proceed with unattended installation. Then come to virtual hardware. I am giving 4 gigabytes. It is up to you based on availability. Number of CPU equals to hard disk. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on finish. Still if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or select it and click on the settings button. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then right click, then select start, then start with the GUI, or just select it and click on the start button. Use up and down arrows, select the first one, that is try or install Ubuntu server, and hit enter. Select the language by using up and down arrows from your keyboard and hit enter. Select keyboard configuration information, layout and variant. I am going with the defaults. Then use the tab to come down to this done and hit enter. See here by default it has selected Ubuntu server. Or if you want to Ubuntu server minimize, then select tab and come down. Then see if cursor is blinking at Ubuntu server minimize it, just press spacebar to select. If you don't want, go up and select it. You can select only one. Then come down. If you want to additional options like search for third party drivers, you have to select it. I don't want. Then come down to done and hit enter. This is network configuration. Select done and hit enter. Proxy address I don't want, so select done and hit enter. Again hit enter. This is confirmation. Select continue and hit enter. Guided storage configuration, I want to use the entire disk. Then come down by using tab to done and hit enter. This is the file system summary. If you are okay with this, if you are okay with all these settings, then select done. And if you want to reset, select reset. If you want to go back, select back. I am okay with these settings, then select done and hit enter. This is confirmation. Select continue. Now create or set up user. I am giving user full name as R2 Schools, server name or host name UBS 25 VM. Later also you can change this server name or host name. Now provide the username. Set the password for this user. Confirm the same. Then come down to done and hit enter. you want to install OpenSSH server, just press spacebar from your keyboard. Okay, it is up to you. Then come down, select done and hit enter. If you want to install these featured server snaps, you can select any one of them by using spacebar from your keyboard. Then tap, then select done and hit enter. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. Now select reboot now and hit enter. See the message, please remove the installation medium, then press enter. Okay, go to VirtualBox manager. See here, optical drive is empty. If it is not empty, just click on it, then select the remove the disk from the virtual drive. Then go to virtual machine and hit enter to reboot the system. Now provide the username that you have created. Provide the password. See, we have successfully logged in, and also see here, if cursor is grayed out, just press right control on your keyboard to release the cursor. See here, this is the information about the system load. Okay, if you want to verify version, more /etc os-release. See, we have installed Ubuntu server 25.10 and its code name is question. Okay, Control A. The first step after connecting to Ubuntu server is we have to update the package. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. All packages are updated. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Ubuntu server 25.10 server edition on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.